This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Bank of America. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. Also, thank you to those who already subscribed and like my videos. It means a lot. Just a reminder that I have no positions in this company, so I'll give an unbiased viewpoint. We will start out the technical analysis by going over what I see on the daily chart and potential price targets. Then we will wrap it up by looking over the long-term pattern on the weekly chart. So as you can see here on the daily chart, Bank of America was in an uptrend until about early June, and then it started selling off and making lower lows and lower highs. So before in the uptrend, you could see the EMA was supporting the price action. Most of the price bars was above it, and then right around here something happened where we shot down, and now we're finding resistance at the EMA, and now most of the price bars are underneath it. So with this in mind, you can see that this was the channel working its way up right here, and we have a lot of touches on the top side, and then over here we cannot get back to the channel, and we cannot see how over here we will make higher highs by a good amount. The previous high was lower than the next high. This high is much higher. Then we started just to kind of make the same highs. It was tapering off, and then price just gave way and sold off. And then price went inside this more recent downtrend channel that I see that we're still in. So we have to wait till this plays out. As you can see here, this is the downtrend channel. It fits pretty nicely there. And price looks like it could also be respecting this larger red channel that was in play. So recently, since we broke the channel, I expect us to make a new high in the future or surpass it. However, the downtrend is still in place. We have to wait till this plays through. So we had one leg down right here, and then we had a correction up, and then the second leg was right here. Oops, I moved the channel. I have to move the arrow right there. So we pretty much met the measure move, and then we got a bounce here. However, that doesn't mean we're going to continue to trend up. We still have to wait till this plays out, such as getting a break outside here and a move to a new low. So if I do another measured move up for the correction, this is the first leg of the correction, and the second leg looks like it's right outside of the channel. So I'm expecting a rejection right here from the EMA and the channel line, and then a move to a new low, and then we could potentially see higher prices in the future. We just have to wait and see. So previously, Bank of America was inside of this channel right here. There you go. And then we had a break outside, move to a new high. This was the measured move. That was the first leg up. And then this was the second leg up, and right when we hit it at the $33 level, we sold off. So, and then if we were to do another measured move from right at that level, and if I move it up to there, you can see we pretty much was just underneath it before selling off. And we can also take a look at this measured move. This was the first leg up of the uptrend, and then we went just a little past it, a good amount. That's why price started tapering off, and then we sold off. However, the better measured move is this level right here. If I zoom out a little further, if I start from this bottom and I move it to here, and then if I were to do it from the lows of 2020 and I move it up, that's pretty much a perfect measured move. At that $42 level, price reaches target. People were taking his profits, and it sold off. I'm going to put a horizontal line right there. There you go. So I just showed you how accurate these measured moves are. They're not perfect, but they show a good location for price to reach or reverse. So previously, Bank of America was in an uptrend. Most of the price bars were above the EMA. The EMA is pointing up. We were inside the channel, and then the measured move was reached. We sold off by 2 legs, and we're still continuing down in this downtrend channel because the EMA is pointing down. Most of the price bars underneath it. But recently we reached that second leg of the measured move, so that's why we're seeing a correction back up to resistance side of the channel. We're going to see if this holds or not, or we just continue higher from here, but most likely we will just see a break outside and a move to a new low before trending back up. So that's pretty much everything I see on the daily chart. I'm going to show you guys the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, the only thing that I see that could potentially be in play is this uptrend channel. That's why we got that bounce right there back in 2020, and if I drag it up, it fits pretty nicely. However, we just had an overshoot right here, and I said it like a million times before, and I showed you guys a lot of examples. If we have an overshoot on one side, we're probably gonna get an overshoot on this side. So that's a long fall for Bank of America, so we might hear some bad news coming out soon about this company, but we're gonna have to wait and see, because it could be a while before we reach this side of the channel. And also we got that sell-off because price was pretty far away from the EMA. Price does not like to be far away from the EMA for a while, and that's what we were doing. So price had to pull back, and that's why we saw that two-legged drop. So this could be a trap right here. See how the market went up once and then up twice. However, we're below the EMA, so this could be a trap for the longs, and this could be what they use to push the market back down, because we rocketed up. So price probably is going to take away back all the profits people have, and the break-even stops probably going to be hit, or even the stop losses. And there's a lot of gaps back on the way down, such as right here and right here and right here. So in summary, I do expect future prices that are going to be dropping. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you could learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time. Bye.